So where do I buy all my lumber from? Hey guys, this is Robert Dailey with the recreationalwoodworker.com, where we help you build great furniture. That's a question I get a lot, is where do I buy lumber from? Where should I buy my lumber from? Especially right now, lumber prices are shooting straight up, but I feel like it's a bubble. What goes up must come down. Eventually they'll level off, probably higher than they were, but it's just what it is right now. So where do I buy my lumber from? Anything I can tell you is try to avoid the box stores, Lowe's, Home Depot, things like that. A lot, especially their dimensional lumber, is pretty much garbage. I hate saying that, but it's true. However, I will say that Home Depot's Pure Bond plywood is pretty good, and I use that a lot. You can actually see I've got a sheet of that right here, and right here. And that's pretty good stuff. The price of it has gone up like about $10, about what it was a few months ago. So it has gone up, but yeah, it's not too bad. And then you can see I've got some beech, some cherry, I've got some yellow pine down there, some white oak right there, some mahogany right there, and then some live edge stuff over here like mesquite, poplar, walnut, and those kind of things. So where do I go to get all my lumber if I don't buy dimensional lumber from Home Depot? First place I'd tell you to go is in your town. You probably have a local lumber yard that is for the construction industry. There you'll be able to find a lot better prices, especially on dimensional lumber, like your poplars, your maples, your red oaks. You'll be able to get a lot better prices on that. They also will have other things like some Chinese birch plywood that's pretty cheap. I don't really like using it, but if you're trying to save money and get something that's a decent plywood for cabinet and furniture use, that's okay. My local lumber yard carries alder, maple, poplar, a few different grades of pine and oak, and that's not something I can get at my local box store. They only carry pine, some poplar, some red oak, and then that's pretty much it. My lumber yard actually delivers for extremely reasonable prices. As long as I'm ordering like $200-300 worth of material, which honestly for a project is not a lot. They deliver for $25 to my house. Like, I don't have a commercial shop space. They'll come, we'll unload it, bring it in the shop, and then they're on their merry way, and I have my materials. So that is kind of where I try to go for most of my stuff, is just my local lumber yard, support local businesses, etc. For the live edge tables and things I do, that's a whole different ball game. For that, you have to kind of get on Facebook, hunt around, and find a local sawmill that's sourcing live edge slabs. In my area, I'm lucky to have a couple. My favorite guy is Matzik Sawmill out in Franklin, Texas. He's about 45 minutes away. He has a portable sawmill, so he'll go to people's houses and he'll harvest like a big walnut tree, slab it up, dry it, and then sell it. That's the best way. Some of the really nice live edge tables that I've done have come from him, and I've sourced my lumbers from him. And then there's another one down the road, and then there's another one about an hour and a half from me, and all of them carry different things, and it's just kind of call, see what they have, go look at everything. And so for like live edge stuff, that's what I do. What I've started doing, especially for, like this mahogany that it looks all dimensioned right here, my white oak, the cherry that I have here, the beech here, and for some reason my apprentice stacked these both together. That's kind of frustrating. For those, I've started using a company called Brazos Forest Products. They're out of Texas and I think Louisiana a little bit, but they will also deliver. They're out of Houston, and so I'm about 90 miles away from there, but they deliver to my area a few times a week for like $35. So, I mean, that might go up, and that might be because I do order enough to make it worth their time, but they deliver to a few other professional shops around here. They're a little bit different because they actually come on a big 18-wheeler, so I have to drive out to the end of the road and meet them on the side of the highway and unload everything and put it in my truck. But at the same time, I'm getting fantastic prices on everything. Like this is about the same price as red oak at Home Depot. This mahogany, because it's just so much cheaper, and this is a very expensive wood. And then their white oak is about the same price as pine at your local Lowe's and Home Depot. And then things like beech are actually cheaper than their pine at Lowe's and Home Depot, and beech is a phenomenal wood for furniture. So that's where I've started buying my materials from. Avoid the box sources if you can, but I will say that the Pure Bond plywood that Home Depot carries is honestly pretty good stuff. I've switched into some other products as well, but honestly, I'm not seeing a huge difference in quality that makes it where I'm willing to spend the $5 or $10 more than the Pure Bond goes for. However, for solid lumber, find your local lumber yard, find a true sawmill that you can order stuff from, and buy it that way, because you're going to save a ton of money. Hope you found this video useful. I'm going to try to start doing more of these, just answering questions in just kind of a vlog format, very little editing, directly upload it to YouTube. So if you have questions about woodworking, leave them in the comments, and that might spur my next video. And of course, I do try to answer all of my comments. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video if you liked it. And if I've earned your subscription, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you later.